Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Outlook and selecting the exact folder you want to restore, inbox, sent, or a custom folder. Once selected, go immediately to the View tab on the ribbon. This is where Outlook stores layout controls. You'll see Change View, View Settings, and a Reset View button in the current view area. Click to reveal options. This step tells Outlook which folder layout to target, so make sure the correct folder is highlighted before continuing. Once you've opened the View menu, click Reset View to immediately revert to Outlook's default layout for that folder. This resets sort, groups, and columns. If results aren't exact, choose View Settings to manually set columns, sort, and group by back to defaults. Also check Reading Pane and Folder Pane under View. Set Reading Pane to Right or Off and Folder Pane to Normal for the classic look. These adjustments control how messages and folders display and restore familiar navigation. To finish, restart Outlook so the changes take effect across sessions. Make sure your mailbox view still looks right after relaunch. If some folders still show custom layouts, repeat Reset View or Open Run and use the command Outlook. exe/clean views to remove corrupted custom views. This resets all views to default. If you had custom filters or columns, restore them from a backup or recreate them manually. If anything goes wrong, the /clean views switch is the single most effective recovery step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.